Hey guys, welcome back to another video in my Robinhood investing series. So as you can see for the day, we are doing extremely well. Just for today, we are up 26% or up $1,700. So this is my biggest profit day so far in this portfolio. And just a quick recap for new viewers, I only have deposited around $4,900 into this portfolio. And at this point, it's at 8,200. So fabulous day, just up $1,700 today. That is insane. So going down to my portfolio, just looking at today's return, you can see my 150 shares of Blink Charging is doing fabulous, netting a return of $1,500 for today. Tesla is doing some big things for me as well at $145. Upwork, a little bit on the red side for today. And I decided to purchase this new stock. I was watching a couple of videos of just EV stocks, and this is one that people were mentioning. It is ticker symbol SBE. Now, this isn't like an EV stock in itself. It's more like just a holding company for a charging company that's going to be going public. I think towards the end of this year. It's ChargePoint. Again, this is not a recommendation on purchasing the stock. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some random guy on investing on the internet. I'd recommend doing your own research first before you decide to invest in any stocks. But I decided to purchase this because it's going to be merging with ChargePoint when it's finally going to be able to be purchased publicly. As of right now, ChargePoint isn't publicly traded. So I purchased this with the average cost of $31.91. And as you can see, even for the day, this stock in itself is up 28%. Looking at it from a week's perspective, you'll see that it's up 85%. So this is definitely something that, even if you decide not to purchase the stock, I would just recommend adding to your watch list, just seeing what happens to it. Even after hours, it's still going up. And I didn't have that much to be able to invest in it, but I do have $300 invested, and it's currently up $23 for the day for me. And just PPL stock, dividend stocks and such. But yeah, very happy with the end result. And let's look at Blink Charging here. Wow. So for the day, it is up 48%. That is incredible. So I thought here was the peak of the day and it was just going to start dipping. But towards the end, it had another large peak at its highest point at $34.30. So just the fact that I have 150 shares of this stock is just making me so happy that I decided to purchase this. And I currently have an average cost of $13.05 per share. It's because I think the lowest point I was able to purchase this stock was around $10. And ever since then, I've only been purchasing more and more, and inevitably have 150 shares on my Robinhood portfolio. So very happy and excited with the way that this is taking off. So Blink Charging hits 52-week high to continue streak, and we're hoping that this streak continues. And I am hoping this is going to be pretty much like the next Tesla stock. Hopefully it's going to break 100 sometime in the near future with the continuing popularity of EV stocks. And it would be cool if this also hit the S&P 500. But so that's another long-term holding stock. Even though it is getting a lot of profit right now, I'm just going to keep holding it just because I do have a very low average cost on Blink Charging, and I'm probably going to be purchasing more of it as time goes on. So the average cost of this is going to raise a little bit for me, but if I could just keep it at under $20, that'd be fabulous. So even after hours, it is going up almost 2%. And for the week, oh my goodness, it is up 164%. That is just fabulous. And for the month, 290%. So I'm just comparing the stock to Bitcoin and everything. Like, why is everyone focusing on Bitcoin when there's stocks like this that is currently just taking off by huge margins? Let's just look at how much Bitcoin is going up here. So I'm currently on my Coinbase portfolio. I don't have that much invested in Bitcoin. I just have, as you can see, about $20. And let's just look at Bitcoin for the day. It is actually down 0.79%. For the week, it's just only up 15%. I mean, in terms of, stocks and stuff, a 15% gain would be pretty good. But just the fact that I have other stocks that's performing well for me, I don't see that as that big of a jump. I mean, the 42.38% for the month, really good. I'd be happy if I had any stocks that did that well, if I didn't already have a bunch of Blink charging stocks, but I don't know. People just seem to buy the hype, the media hype of Bitcoin, and I'm not 100% convinced in investing in Bitcoin, which is why I don't have that much money invested in Bitcoin. But let's jump over to my WeBull portfolio as well. So looking at my WeBull portfolio, you can see that the portfolio value is currently at $2,126. And just scrolling down, you'll see, obviously, I have more Blink charging over here at 50 shares. And I have 12 shares of Upwork as well. But just the shares alone on Blink charging on my WeBull portfolio is bringing me just $1,000 in profit, with the average cost here at $12.18 per share. Going back to WeBull real quick, I forget how much profit I'm having over here. So I have a profit of $3,000 over here for Blink charging on my Robinhood portfolio. So very happy overall with everything that's going on right now. I'm hoping to break 10K in my Robinhood portfolio by the end of the year. I mean, just hoping that this keeps going, just, the small gains, if I could just get it to break 10K, that'd be awesome. And then maybe by the end of next year, if I could hit like 25K, I mean, obviously I'm not going to have the same amount of luck as I would with Blink charging unless it continues to just skyrocket, but we'll see what happens. Overall, very excited. Let me know how your portfolios are doing so far and how many shares of Blink charging you guys currently have. Like I said, I have 150 shares of Blink charging on Robinhood and 50 shares of Blink charging on WeBull. So if you guys would like to sign up for either brokerage services, feel free to use my referral link in the description below and get some free stocks. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.